Hello students, my name is Poonam Dua. I am from MND Education Academy of Literature and today we are going to cover some important objective questions from Indian cinema. These questions are very important for MA English entrance exam aspirants of various universities. First question, first English film produced in India, A Passage of India, राजनर्तकी, नूरजहां और हेवन ऑन अर्थ. इसका सही आंसर है राजनर्तकी. राजनर्तकी जिसको इंग्लिश में द कोर्ट डांसर बोला जाता था. इट वॉज रिलीज इन 1941, प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय वाडिया मूवी टोन एंड डायरेक्टेड बाय मधु बोस. Next question, which was the first Indian movie to win an Oscar? Slumdog Millionaire, Mother India, Gandhi or none of these? The correct answer is C, Gandhi. India received its first Oscars in 1983 when Bhanu Athiya won the award as the best costume designer for Richard Attenborough's film Gandhi in 1982. तो आप यहाँ पर ये ध्यान रखिए कि वट एवर क्वेश्चंस आई एम टेलिंग यू उनके साथ जो एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन आ रही है आपको मिल रही है, जैसे कि गांधी फिल्म किसने बनाई थी, तो द नेम इज़ रिचर्ड एटनबरो. तो आपको इन सारी इन्फॉर्मेशंस को भी नोट डाउन करना है. आपको एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशंस बहुत काम आएंगी एग्जाम्स में. Next question, now an easy one. Who got the first Oscar awards in India? The correct answer is Bhanu Athiya. I am not going in details for it. Next question, who is known as the father of Indian cinema? ढूंढीराज गोविंद फाल्के, चरण सिंह, राजा ललित राय और बलराम नायडू. करेक्ट आंसर इस ढूंढीराज गोविंद फाल्के, जिनको हम दादा साहेब फाल्के भी कहते हैं पॉपुलरली. ही वॉज एन इंडियन प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर, स्क्रीन राइटर नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन cinema and his debut film was Raja Harishchandra. It was the first Indian movie in 1913 and is now known as India's first full-length movie as well. A postage stamp bearing his likeness was released by India Post to honor him in 1971. Next question, which was the first color movie in India? Kisan Kanya, Alamara, Raja Harishchandra or none of these? Correct answer is Kisan Kanya. Kisan Kanya was a 1937 Hindi Cinecolor feature film which was directed by Moti B. Gidwani and produced by Ardeshir Irani of Imperial Pictures. It is largely remembered by the Indian public on account of it being India's first indigenously color film. Next question, which Hindi movie got first national award? Shri 420, Jagriti, Mirza Ghalib or none of these? Mirza Ghalib is the correct answer. 1954 में रिलीज़ हुई थी, directed by Sohrab Modi, and this is the first film to win national award for best film. A film based on the life of the famous Urdu poet Mirza Ghalib, who was the court poet of last Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. Next question, who was the director of famous movie Mughal-e-Azam? The correct answer out of this is K. Asif, who was born in 1922 and died 71. He was an Indian film director, producer and screenwriter famous for this epic movie made in Hindi and Urdu simultaneously. Mughal-e-Azam 1960 is an Indian epic historical drama film directed by K. Asif starring Prithviraj Kapoor, Dilip Kumar, Madhubala and Durga Khote. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको कुछ मूवीज़ के साथ उनसे एसोसिएटेड पर्सनालिटीज़ को रिलेट करना है. मैं एक एक करके पहले मूवीज़ के नाम बोल रही हूँ. आलम आरा, राजा हरीशचंद्र, झांसी की रानी, झनक झनक पायल बाजे. इन मूवीज़ के साथ आपको एसोसिएट करना है सोहराब मोदी, वी शांताराम, अर्देशीर ईरानी और दादा साहेब फाल्के को. शुरुआत करते हैं फर्स्ट मूवी के साथ, आलम आरा. Alam Ara was a 1931 Indian film directed by Ardeshir Irani. It was the first sound film of India. Next, Raja Harishchandra. It was 1913 movie written and directed by Dhundiraj Govind Falke, the first silent movie of India. Next, Jhansi Ki Rani, a 1953 Hindi historical drama film produced and directed by Sohrab Modi. Next, Janak Janak Payal Baje, 1955 Bollywood film directed by V. Shantaram and it stars Shantaram's wife Sandhya and dancer Gopi Krishna in lead roles. Hence, option number D becomes the right answer. This question was also asked in the same question paper. The film Jungle Book is based on the works of writer V.S. Naipaul, E.M. Foster, Rudyard Kipling, or Jim Corbett. The correct answer is The Jungle Book is written by English author Rudyard Kipling. Jungle Book 1894 collection of stories by English author Rudyard Kipling, and most of the characters are animals. Animals are talking, such as Sher Khan the tiger and Baloo the bear. Though a principal character is the boy, a man cub Mowgli, who was raised in the jungle by wolves. Question: who among the following made the first fully indigenous silent feature film in India? Lumiere brothers, Mani Setna, Dadasaheb Phalke, Dhirendra Nath Ganguly. Answer is option number C, Dadasaheb Phalke. The honor of making the first feature film goes to Dadasaheb Phalke, who made the first indigenous silent film Raja Harishchandra in 1913. Hence, C is the correct option. So through these questions you got to know a lot about the history of Indian cinema, and questions are generally asked from the history of Indian cinema in MA English entrance examination. Specifically, I have judged the same in IP University exam. So please keep watching our channel, do subscribe to it so that you keep on getting the latest information, and you can click on the link given here to see the impact of Shakespeare in Indian cinema. That information will also be helpful for you. So best of luck for exams, guys.